Yeah, welcome to Sludgewell's lads. My name is Alex, and today I have the next Warhammer 40K KILLTEAM box in my hands. And this time, we're talking about the Farstalker Kinband, the Kroot mercenary crew. Yeah, I really like this Kroot species, and I think it will be really funny to do this stuff. And as you already know, talk is cheap. So let's get right into it.
Yeah. Blades in my hands, plastic snapping in the night. Clip is bruised, I'm the surgeon with the sight. Precision on the edge, grab my warlike tribe. Crew squad rising, every cut survive. Stall on their faces, ready for the hunt. Yes, choreography, front to the blood. Paint fumes hit, I breathe the war in my chest. Miniatures assembled, this my primal quest. Crew commandos, carving out the space. Painted with the blood of a mercenary race. Crew commandos, ready for the fight. Built for destruction in the dead of night. X-acto blade sharp, slicing plastic bones. Every piece connects, creating killer clones. Sculpting warriors, savage and obscene. Battle ready squad from a modeling dream. Base them in the dirt, scatter bits of grit. Camouflage schemes, they're legit, never quit. Box art whispers, but I go my own way. Kroot on the table, time to slay, time to slay, time to slay.
Green is the fools in morphing shapes in my palm. Kid Bush chaos, I'm the storm before the calm. Custom pose menace, they don't stand still. Mercenaries looking bloodlust to fulfill. Mercenaries looking bloodlust to fulfill. To fulfill, to fulfill. Talent sharp and cutting through the black. Whispers of the void where the stars don't crack. Feathers drenched in blood, ancestors on my back. Echoes of the prey left the skulls on the rack. Pulse rifles hum, but we stalk in the mist. Savage evolution can't resist the twist. Genome shifted every meal, a gift. Bones in the dirt, we persist, we exist. Kroot rise, hear the war drums pound. Savage kin, leave no trace, no sound. Feed the flesh, let the genes rebound. We devour, ever weak, there's strength unbound. Jungle shadows creep, we the ghosts in the trees. Cannibal choir humming death on the breeze. Eyes like amber, souls never appease. Every bite we take, survival decree. I think they own us, but we hunt for the thrill. Blood for the path, DNA to distill. Each foe we consume is a piece of the kill. Their essence ours as we bend to no will. Teeth in the dark, sharp as betrayal. Predators, gospel, survival's only tale. Imperium quakes, but the kroot prevail. Primal instincts beyond the pale.
Kroot step heavy. Kroot step heavy. Talons on the soil, sharp and unshaken. Quills whip the air, ancestors awaken. Beak snap truth, no room for mistaking. Evolution in the blood, every move calculated. Feathers draped like war cloaks. Battle's a tradition, hunger sharp as the blade. Instincts, precision, sin of prey lingers. A predatory mission, body built for war. Every breath ignition. Avian ancestry, carved in the bone. Kroot don't falter, stand tall alone. Beak to the sky, quills thrown like a crown. From the stars to the dirt, we hunt it all down. Echoes of the flock, voices from the void. Genetic code twisted, past never destroyed. Absorb the strong, leave the weak deployed. Every meal a weapon, every kill enjoyed. Eyes like a hawk, vision cuts through the dark. Silent predators, but the aftermath stark. Every strike leaves the enemy mark. Talons paint the battlefield, a violent knock. Apex in the shadows, whispers in the wind. Quills bristle electric, the hunt begins. DNA spliced with the universe's sins. Kroot never lose, only time we win.